Careful of flowers.
Lion! Get hot! Get it!
Spread out, guys.
Wow. Get out of the way.
I just cracked it. I can find it.
It's like the NFL Combine here. I don't know.
I can't even get a picture.
Poor Marina. She's not going to have a chance when she gets older.
Well, let's think. Devin won't be there.
Yeah.
Hey, Jace.
The poor kid's picking him up in the falling out of his basket.
Oh! You got any up there?
Keep looking. There's still a bunch out there.
Yay!
Keep looking. There's still a bunch out there.
Oh, God.
Oh, this ain't easy.
I told you I made it easy this year.
And
They're all falling from the trees. So I had to, they just, wherever they fell, I just let them stay.
Okay, my legs are getting tired.
Car coming.
They got these ones. I got one in the door. One in the Another one over here, Jeff.
Huh?
Somewhere over here.
where are they? Yeah, baby!
They're not that low.
Lion! Oh, you're good. Woohoo! But I want to get one. I can beat you. Lion, won't be awesome if you had 100. Nope. There. What?
Got other ones over here, too.
That's okay.
Over here.
Can you put this back?
Got those.
Did you put any on the car?
did.
I got one. The car.
Yeah, looks like the ones all in the car.
Then we got all of them over there. We did.
I still see there's still another one out there. I see one more. At least one more.
Where are they?
I see two more.
Where?
I can't tell.
Where is it?
Aha!
I still see another one.
Jay!
There you go. There's still another one.
Where? Mom, look at how many I got. How many more?
Let's see your basket, right?
There you go. I think that might. Oh no, there's still another one.
No!
No, it's not inside the house. Everything's out.